Hello everybody, my name is Ken Aaron F. Mali. As you can see, the beauty of Mother Nature. God created us to protect our Mother Nature. If our Mother Nature destroyed, our world will be like a mess. So we need to clean and protect our Mother Nature. Thank you.